Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You open the database and jump straight to create query designs so you can act now. Once in design view, add the tables or saved queries you need. Make sure primary/foreign keys appear. Then pick fields by double-clicking or dragging them into the grid and set a basic criterion in the criteria row. Run the query to confirm results. If data looks off, check field types and table joins before continuing. Once the basic result set is visible, refine joins and logic to shape the output. Change join types to include or exclude unmatched rows and add calculated fields using expressions like if, QTY0, QTY price, 0. Use parameters for prompts and aggregate with group by when summarizing. If performance or syntax matters, switch to SQL view to optimize clauses and indexes. Save the query with a clear name so you can reuse it in forms or reports. To complete the task, decide whether this is a select-only query or one that modifies data. Convert to make table, update, or append as needed, and export results to Excel or CSV for sharing. Make sure the saved query is used as the record source for any dependent forms or reports. If something breaks, a quick troubleshooting step is to verify matching field data types, avoid reserved words and aliases, confirm all joins exist, and ensure you have right permissions. These fixes resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.